Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Lucid Trading to TradingView. First, open the Lucid Trading website in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you are not logged in, enter your email and password and access your dashboard. Once you are inside the platform, look for the option called Add Accounts or Account Settings. Click on it to open your account management page. Now move your attention to the top right side of the screen. Find the button that says Show Credentials and click it. This will display your trading credentials, including your username and password. Copy these details carefully or save them in a secure place because you will need them later in TradingView. Next, open the TradingView platform in a new tab. Once it loads, open any chart of your choice so you can access the trading panel. Look at the top right corner of the TradingView interface and click on the Trade button. This will open the Broker Connection panel. In the search bar, type Tradivate. When it appears in the list, click on it to continue. A login pop-up will appear. In this window, make sure the account type is set correctly. Choose Demo if you are using an evaluation account or Live if you are using a funded account, based on what Lucid Trading has provided. Now enter the username and password you copied earlier from Lucid Trading. Double-check the details for accuracy. After that, click Connect. Wait a few seconds while TradingView connects to your Lucid Trading account through Tradivate. Once connected, you will be able to place trades directly from TradingView. Thanks for watching.